Those are peacocks. No, there's a peacock and two girl peacocks. Daddy, they're peacocks. You'll see the male and the two. Close the dogs inside. Oh, why isn't this? See, you can see the male and then the... Well, I'll get it on film for you. It's one male and two females. Look, that's two males and one female, because the males are more colorful. I heard some noises. We should try to get them to open their tail. And I said, oh, somebody's calling for help. And I ran outside, and it wasn't, but it sounded like they were calling for help. Oh, my goodness, how beautiful. But I want to get him to open his tail. The other one went that way. Well, I don't want to get him in trouble. I think they can fly. Look at that thing on his head. I've seen them in Coconut Grove. If we watch them long enough to open their tail, I hope no car hits him. He's right in the middle of the street. I'm going to go over to Lily's yard. Yeah, two of them went over to Lily's house. I'm going to see if I can get them. I'll show you the video after. I'm going to try to get these two. I'll try to make him walk this way. Oh, he's coming. Look. Okay, look what a beautiful thing. I heard someone calling for help, and it was these guys. They were making the noise. Sure. Didn't seem too impressed. Well, it's exciting for me. I was trying to engage him, but oh well. If he's not going to open his tail, I'm not going to keep recording. I guess they're eating bugs and things. Okay, después te lo muestro. I wish he would open his tail. Okay, if I kind of scare him a little bit, he might open his tail. Maybe one of them is a young male, because that one has a blue neck. And then that looks like a girl, because her tail is short and she's not as fancy. But I don't know, they might be young males. There, and then that's the male. I think he's going to open his tail. It's not a very big tail. Now they're across the street. I don't know where the third one went. They're kind of just walking around. I mean, if we feed them, they'll hang around, but, I don't know where the other one went, the male. Maybe he flew off somewhere. Oh well. I wish, those two don't have tails, but if, oh, maybe they're going inside there. I'm gonna go. Maybe they live in that house. Because sometimes people have peacocks, they just kind of let them wander around. And chicken. Okay, there's 4 over there. They're hanging out in there. I wish one of them would open his tail. I can't tell which are males and which are females. Maybe, I think that's the male. Or maybe they're all male, I don't know. But I was under the impression that females were not colorful and males were. None of them look super colorful, but that one, I wish I knew more, but... Okay, so they're hanging out. It's a whole flock then. Maybe there's even more. That's the prettiest one. Yeah, that one is most likely the leader of the pack. Anyway, I'm gonna try to make this ASMR now that I'm watching them. If I keep filming, maybe one of them will open their tail. Now they're just kind of cleaning. Yeah, look, his tail is getting kind of fluffy. Maybe if I don't want to scare him, that would be kind of mean. But he's getting kind of puffy. There you go. Wait. Oh, shoot. I thought maybe he was going to open. There he goes. Oh. I thought he was flying away. Yeah, but see, they fly, so they flew in here from somewhere. They're just taking a little rest. What are they looking at? They seem to, he appears to see something. I don't know what he's looking at. Looks like he's looking at something. Yeah, that's the one to watch. It appears, but I get all four of them. I'm sorry, I keep going in and out, but I thought he was about to take off, so. Anyway, what's that one doing? And they're finding bugs, you know. They're probably eating little bugs and ants. Not sure. What are they looking at? They see something. Where's the other one? Oh well. Maybe they're just a couple of friends. See how these two are very plain looking, kind of? They're not as bright, and that one is brighter. That's why I think the bright one is the male. And he seems to have like a longer neck, and his tail is longer. Yeah, well, so that's about it. I guess I could make the video longer. They're just checking out everybody's lawns. First they were at my next door neighbor. First they were at our house. Then they went to my next door neighbor. Then they went across the street. Now they're over at that house. Oh, I see something. Maybe if they get scared, they'll open the tail. Well, people are probably wondering what I'm filming. People get a little bit cuckoo. They think I'm filming their house. I wonder how that lady's gonna react. She sees the birds walking around. All right, I'll leave them alone.